Well, thank you, Vice Chair, committee members. Thank you for the opportunity to testify in support of House Bill 149. Again, my name is David Dunmoyer with TPPF. Sister did a great job laying out a lot of the arguments I would have said. So I want to highlight what Chairman Capriglione has done with this bill, because this has been, as he mentioned, a multi-year long process that has had a transparent stakeholder process for input. And this should be coined the Texas approach. This is how good tech policy becomes law. But further, this is why we see with House Bill 4, House Bill 18, other kid safety and tech bills from last session, this is why states are copying us. Because this is the approach that balances innovation and hitting on all the points that have been made previous on why we continue to lead and innovate and outpace states like California, but also provide remarkable protections for consumers that ensure we aren't allowing this technology to proliferate unfettered with those consequences that we're already seeing. So the three things I want to highlight here is why this is a practical and enforceable law, because enforceability is going to be key as technology continues to move. First, it explicitly and clearly enumerates what these prohibited use cases for AI are, child sex abuse material, viewpoint discrimination, and so on and so forth. And this is an entirely new and unique and Texan approach to AI regulation that's an outcomes-based model. And so simply, if it's bad, if it's demonstrable harm, and it was done intentionally, there are consequences. To that point on consequences, this seeks to provide an ecosystem regulatorily that ensures compliance rather than seeking punishment. And you can see this, for example, there's a 60-day cure period. So if there's an unintentional harm that occurs, the onus and responsibilities on the company to prove it was not intentional or did not happen. And so it gives them a chance to redress their grievances. But also one thing that we've heard in a lot of our discussions too, is this bill importantly provides clarity on the rules of the road instead of allowing for litigious hellscape where there's uncertainty. And this is why we need laws, so we know what can and can't be done. And so finally, I just say that ultimately this bill accomplishes TPPF's goal in our research we outlined. We want to see a bill that ensures technology serves humanity and not the other way around. So I thank you all for your time today and Chairman Capriglione's efforts on this bill. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The chair recognizes that Representative Cook is present. Thank you. Members who have any questions of the witness? No? All right. Thank you very much for your testimony.
Thank you.
All right. Is there anyone else who wishes to testify on, for, or against HB 149? If not, the chair recognizes Chairman Capriglione to close on the bill.
Thank you. You just heard previous witness David Dunmoyer say technology should serve humanity, not the other way around. And that is what the goal of this legislation is.